This is Amber with WaveRez, and we're going to go over an alternative way to create a booking other than the matrix view. So another way to create a booking, instead of clicking here, you can click the plus sign up in this top right hand corner. If you hover over it, will say new reservation. So if we click here, it's going to take us to the basic info screen. So if it was a past reservation that we're just now entering, we can go ahead and click past reservation. It's going to allow us to select an arrival date previous to today. So we'll go ahead and keep it as a today one, and we'll go ahead and choose the pontoon rental for today. And we'll just do it at 3 o'clock. So you select your trip, date, and time. Now when we hit next, it's going to take us to the ticket options screen where we can select the tickets that are available at this time. And it will give us all the information that we just selected: the trip, the date, and the time, as well as the totals for the order. Now, partner comment, you can enter comments below. Any options that are required will have to be selected there. And click next. It's going to take you to the contact payment information screen where you can enter the customer's information. And a phone number. Now you can send text confirmation, email confirmation from here. If you had their email, you can go ahead and enter it, and that will send them an email confirmation. If not, the new email is required. And anything with an asterisk is required. You can go ahead and click a payment options and select your payment option. We're going to do pay on arrival and complete booking. And that's how you create an order from the new reservation icon at the top right hand corner.